My name is Byron Anyango from the Nairobi School, Nairobi County.
My name is Evan Sabuga from the Nairobi School, Nairobi County.
My name is Nishad Esdor from the Nairobi School, Nairobi County.
My name is Sajas Malika from Makueni Boys High School, Makueni County.
I'm Yvonne Otieno from St. Barnabas Girls Secondary School from Kisumu County.
My name is Ketwins Letuma from St. Barnabas Girls Secondary School, Kisumu County.
Interswitchspak is an Interswitch Switch a Future initiative.
Every step of the way since we began this competition has been exciting and pulsating. We have seen speed as fast as lightning, observed perseverance, been impressed by accuracy and the knowledge that these geniuses have displayed. This is the last preliminary episode of Interswitchspak National Science Competition Kenya 3.0, proudly switched on by Interswitch. Never stop. It is always exciting being on Interswitchspak National Science Competition Kenya. Our 6 Super Sparks are ready on stage. Today marks the end of the preliminary stage. Evans, how are you today?
Fine.
You look happy. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm
I saw you in a very good mood even before you got on stage. Is there a performance you'd like to give us?
None.
None?
Yes.
Welcome, Evans. Sarges,
Yes.
what are some of the things that the students told you before you embarked on this journey?
They told me I'd be confident, I'll make it.
Has there been any other contestant on the show from Makueni Boys?
No, they have been knocked out.
They were in this particular season?
Yeah.
Well then, Sarges, all the best to you.
Thank you.
Kate, with a C, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
To our 6 contestants, welcome to the competition. 2 of you will proceed to the semi-final stage at the end of today's show. It is now time to find out who our Interswitchspak Hero of the Week is. Kenyan Professor Washington Yoto Ochieng is the head of the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Imperial College in the UK. Has been credited with solving London's transportation crisis via his research interests in the design of positioning and navigation systems for land, sea and air applications, air traffic management and intelligent transport systems. The Kentu Bay-born Ochieng had his bachelor's degree in science and engineering from the University of Nairobi in 1988. He has a PhD in Satellite Odyssey from the University of Nottingham in 1993. Professor Washington has been honored with various awards for his accomplishments, some of which are the Imperial College London Excellence in Teaching Award 2006, GPS World Magazine Global. He was also elected a Fellow of the Royal Academy of Engineering in 2009. Super Sparks, just like Professor Ochieng, you can also be problem solvers.
And so if you take Africa to be obviously developing and so on, in terms of improving the quality of living of our people, we've got a job to do.
Just as Washington is a problem solver, I hope that our contestants will work towards problems in society and find the best solutions. We'll go on a short break, after which the foundation level begins.
2 decades ago, we flipped the switch, flooded the dark continent with light, created an industry, opened the doors that ushered in the future. Africa is emerging. Visionaries are evolving. But it wasn't always this way. Before the beginning, cash ruled the streets and crime was its aid. Africa was groping, coping with the darkness, until we founded the switch and turned on the future 20 years after, the dark continent is now bursting with innovation, and we're just getting started. Until Africa is borderless, limitless, we are never stopping. Welcome to the Odyssey, the first experience. The future begins today.
Thank you for tuning in. This is Interswitchspak Kenya 3.0, the final preliminary episode. We have 6 contestants on stage ready to tackle the questions in the foundation round. Our contestants, you'll have 12 questions to be answered each within 15 seconds. Marks are awarded based on an individual's accuracy and speed. For questions in this round, the first 3 contestants to get the correct answer will earn 10 points, after which 5 points will be awarded to any other student who gets the correct answer. Our contestants, I wish you the very best of luck. Foundation round, question 1. Which of the following enzymes helps to curdle milk? Which of the following enzymes helps to curdle milk? Is it pepsin, renin, peptone, or lactase? Which enzyme curdles milk? Byron,
yes.
How are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Do let us know what your favorite subject is.
Physics.
Physics?
Yes.
All right, but this is still a question in the sciences. So, what did you pick as the correct answer to this question?
Option B, renin.
Renin.
Yes.
So, Byron believes renin curdles milk. Yvonne?
I also think it's renin.
You also think it's renin?
Yeah.
The correct answer is indeed renin. Kate, you're the only one who did not provide the correct answer, but I'm sure from today onwards you cannot miss that question. We proceed, question 2. For correcting long sight defects in the human eye, we require a what? A microscope, converging lens, a diverging lens, or a periscope to correct long sight defects. Nishad?
Yes.
How can we correct long sight defects in the human eye?
We can correct that by using a converging lens.
A converging lens. Evans, also from Nairobi School, what do you think?
I chose a diverging lens.
You chose a diverging lens?
Yes.
Would you choose it again? You're not sure?
Yes.
A converging lens is the correct answer. These are the points. Question 3, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Is it 25, 12 degrees, 20 degrees, or 15 degrees? What is the value of x? 15 seconds are up. Kate, how can we find the value of x?
We can find the value of x by subtracting 65 from 90 because it's a right angle triangle.
And what would we arrive at?
25 degrees.
25 degrees. Yvonne?
Yeah, I got 25 degrees.
You also got 25 degrees. All the contestants, apart from Nishad, got this right. That was a right angle. The correct answer is 25 degrees. Best of luck in question number 4. Which phenomenon involves the rise or fall of a liquid in a narrow tube? Which phenomenon involves the rise or fall of a liquid in a narrow tube? Is it capillarity, viscosity, surface tension, or osmosis? Byron?
I chose capillarity.
Capillarity. Nishad, what about you?
Capillarity.
Capillarity is the correct answer. All the contestants knew this. We proceed. Question 5. The equation shown represents a process called what? Is this photosynthesis? Is this variation? Is this glycolysis? Or is it respiration? What is this process called? Yvonne?
I think it's respiration.
What about you, Kate?
Respiration.
Respiration. Anyone with a contrary opinion?
Yes.
Evans? Photosynthesis is the correct answer. Nishad, Evans, Sajes, and Byron got this right. 10 points to 3 of them who had the fastest response times, and 5 points to Byron Omolo. Question number 6. The unit of quantity of electricity is called. The unit of quantity of electricity is called what? Is it the ammeter, the coulomb, the ampere, or volts? What is the unit of quantity of electricity? Yvonne?
I chose ampere.
Ampere is the correct answer, the unit of quantity of electricity. However, none of the contestants were able to input the answer. I believe it's because we were fast to answering, and ammeter definitely looked like ampere. Let's proceed. This is question 7 of the foundation round. If a to the power of 2, 3 equals 6, find 2a to the power of 4.3. Is it 36? Is it 72? Is it 6? Or is it 12? What is the correct answer? Yvonne, Kate, and Evans were able to get the correct answer, which is option B, 72. Next question. Which compound is represented by letter Y in the reaction shown? Is it A, FeNO3, B, FeNO3 2, C, FeNO2, or D, FeNO3? A was Fe, to brackets NO3, 3. Byron?
Yes. I chose option B.
Option B.
Yes.
Why is that?
Because silver is balanced by 2, so nitrate will have to be balanced also by 2.
By 2. The correct answer is indeed option B. Evans and Byron got that right, earning themselves 10 points each. Question 9. Tissues work together to form a what? Tissues work together to form a system, an animal, an organ, or a cell. What do tissues work together to form? Sarges?
An organ.
An organ? Nishad?
An organ.
An organ is correct. Option C. Only Yvonne did not get it right. We still have 3 questions to go. You still have a chance to make it as long as you get the correct points, enough points, and also be fast in your responses. Question number 10. Which of the gas laws is represented by the image? Which of the gas laws is represented by the image? Is it Boyle's law, Charles' law, ideal gas law, or Graham's law? Kate, give it a try.
Boyle's law.
Why do you choose Boyle's law?
Because from the diagram we can see that the volume of the gas is inversely proportional to the pressure.
Boyle's law indeed. Points all round apart from Evans. Next question, 11 of the foundation round. Which of the following does not represent the pair of integers AB such that A divided by B equals 3? Is it A, 9, 3, B, minus 12, minus 4, C, minus 6, minus 2, or D, minus 3 and 1? The correct answer is option D, but how did our contestants fare? Kate, you're not able to input your answer within 15 seconds. Points all round to the other contestants. The final question of the foundation round. Which of the following elements have the electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2? Is it helium? Is it boron? Is it carbon? Or is it beryllium? Which element has that electronic configuration? Here are the results. Evans, Nishad, and Kate were able to gain 10 points, while Sergius, Yvonne, and Byron missed a chance to get any points in this question. Our 6 contestants have attempted 12 questions, each question within 15 seconds. The results are in. It is time to find out who drops out of this race at this point. With 45 points and a very good show of knowledge, let's give it up for Kate as she exits the stage. Yvonne, you've also done incredibly well. However, we only need 4 contestants in the advanced round, and you're one of them, so congratulations. You get to continue participating in the competition. With 55 points and falling behind with only 5 points from that of the 4th position, Sergius, it is goodbye for now. We believe you're going to do exploits in the future. All the best. Thank you. Kindly give it up for him. This leaves us with Nishad, Byron, Yvonne, and Evans. These were your total points. Evans, 90 points. Nishad, 75 points. Yvonne, 60 points. and Byron 75 points. You have made it to the advanced round, and after the break, you get to show us your prowess once again. This is Interswitchspak National Science Competition 3.0. Stay with us.
Let me tell you a story. Our story blooms over 2 decades ago in a humble university dorm room where the weight of the dark put a strain on our hands, a stain on the sheet where we mapped out our plans. But innovation lit our eyes with a fire to blaze the trail, to change Africa, one solution, one transaction at a time. Our ears listened to the chimes, the buzzing tune of bright ideas. We stretched out our hands, and remember what we did? We flipped the switch. We flipped the switch. It was no ordinary motion. It was to herald a new notion. It is a champion's charge, your invitation to stand on our shoulders. It is your time for elevation. So go ahead, flip that switch, build that business, scale that hitch. Africa's future is waiting on us, and what looks like the sky is only the dew. We are on the brink of something new, because at Interswitch, we never stop. So you don't stop.
Welcome back. Thank you for joining us on Interswitchspak National Science Competition. Evans, Yvonne, Byron, and Nishad will attempt 10 questions within 45 seconds in the advanced round. What are they playing for? Today, 2 contestants will proceed to the semi-finals. They will then have a chance to move on to the final and be in the race to win 1.5 million Kenya shillings in scholarship. Who will make it? To determine the order of play, here is our take-a-turn question for today. Match the following organism with their appropriate respiratory organ. We have the respiratory organ as the lungs, gills, the cell membrane, and the tracheal system. The organisms are tapeworm, birds, insects, and fishes. Nishad Okutoi has been able to provide an answer. Byron has also been able to solve this puzzle. We're now waiting on Evans and Yvonne, who've also been able to solve this puzzle. Congratulations to our contestants. Going fast and attempting 10 questions within 45 seconds will be Nishad. Nishad, are you ready?
My name is Nishad Okutoi from Nairobi School, Nairobi County, and I'm ready to spark.
Nishad, now is your time to spark. The alcohol with the lowest molecular weight is? Which scientist first determined the atomic number of atoms by using X-rays? The force that enables a screw to hold pieces of metals together is?
Pass.
What is the velocity of a body at maximum height thrown vertically upward? What is the acid anhydride of sulfurous acid H2SO3?
Pass.
How many oxides does carbon form?
2.
A man is 1.465 meters tall. Round off his height. Simplify into brackets 5x plus 3. How many centimeters away in a meter? What is the full meaning of WWW?
World Wide Web.
The alcohol with the lowest molecular weight is? Which scientists first determined the atomic number of atoms by the use of X-rays? Which force enables a screw to hold pieces of metals together?
Electrostatic forces.
What is the velocity of a body at maximum height? That is it for you. 10 questions. Kindly give it up for him. Byron, are you ready?
My name is Byron Omolo from the Nairobi School, and I'm ready to spark.
Byron, now is your time to spark. A body's change in position with time is called? What is the resultant force of 2 forces? How many valence electrons does fluorine have? Which of the halogens has the smallest atomic radius? The largest internal organ in the human is?
Liver.
The scientific name for dog
Canis
is?
familiaris.
If 0.5 is expressed as a fraction in its lowest term, what is the value of half its denominator? If 4x plus 2 equals minus 3x plus 5, then the value of 7x is? What's the fastest land animal on Earth?
Snake.
Botany is the study of?
Plants.
A body's change in position with time is called? How many valence electrons does fluorine have?
1.
The scientific name for a dog
Canis
is?
familiaris.
4x plus 2 equals minus 3x plus 5, then the value of 7x is? All right, that is it for Byron. Give it up for him. Evans, are you ready?
My name is Evans Abuga from Nairobi School. I'm ready to spark.
Evans, now is your time to spark. If log the base of 2m equals 5, then what is the value of m?
25.
Simplify the expression 4 into brackets 3 plus The charging of a body by placing another charged body near it without contact is called?
Pass.
The temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid equals the external pressure surrounding the liquid is. In a human eye, the image of an object is formed on
Retina.
The respiratory organ present in mammals
Lungs.
is. Which country has the highest population in the world?
China.
Which Kenyan president won re-election in 2007?
Kibaki.
The world's checkmate is associated with which sport?
Chess.
Which is the largest island in Africa?
Madagascar.
If log base of 2m equals 5, then what is the value of m?
25.
Simplify the expression 4 into brackets 3 plus 2x minus x plus
Pass.
2. That is it for Evans. Give it up for him. Yvonne, are you ready?
I'm Yvonne Otieno from St. Barnabas Girls, and I'm ready to spark.
Yvonne, now is your time to spark. Lack of what type of food in the body leads to kwashiorkor in children?
Proteins.
The removal of metabolic waste and toxic substances? The horizontal rows of periodic table is termed as?
Periods.
How many electrons are there in a hydrogen atom?
1, 0.
The introduction of harmful materials into the environment is termed as?
Pollution.
Red color of the cells is due to the presence of?
Hemoglobin.
An object of volume 1 meter to the power of 3 and mass 2 kg is totally immersed in a liquid of density 1. What work can be done by an engine in 20 seconds to the power of 250 watts?
Pass.
Find the multiplicative inverse of 1, 3 over 5.
Pass.
A polygon with 4 sides is called?
Pass.
An object of volume 1 meter to the power of 3 and mass 2 kg is totally immersed in a liquid of density 1 kilogram meter to the power of negative 3. Calculate its apparent weight.
Pass.
Okay, that is it for Yvonne. Kindly give it up for them. Only 2 out of the 4 view contestants will make it to the semi-finals. Sometimes it's the speed that gets you there, sometimes it's your accuracy, but all of them combined will give us the winner of this season. Yvonne, you earned 120 points and will be proceeding to the semi-finals. So congratulations, Yvonne, with 100 points. And with 80 points, Byron and Nishad. Unfortunately, this is the end of your Spark journey. It has been an honor to have you. Tying in points with Yvonne, we have Evans. 120 points will take you to the semi-finals of this show. Kindly give it up to Byron and Nishad as they exit the stage. When the mind is open, there is no limit to creativity. This was the last preliminary episode, and Evans and Yvonne have made it to the semi-final stage. These are the last contestants, making up the 18 that we need at the semi-finals. Next week, we begin the race to the finals. Who will make it? Who will be the winner of this season of Interswitchspak Kenya 3.0? There's only one way to find out, and I hope I see you next week.
Interswitchspak is an Interswitch Switch a Future initiative.